long time coming. I was a little girl as this was being talked about. Even before I was born, this whole thing was being talked about. And it's emotional for me because we've lost people that have worked so hard, and for us to actually dance our way to come and take our vote today, you know, I believe and we know we're actually walking with people that have gone past. And for me personally, it's my father. My father, who's always been a very strong supporter of peace, and peace by peaceful means. He's always been a supporter of making sure that everybody in the community were able to have a voice. And again, coming today, it would have been nice to have him with me. Which way it's going to turn out to be, we're there to make sure that our people are heard and to make sure that the wishes and the aspirations of Bougainville is met and it's adhered to. The most important thing is we arrived here today. We arrived here today. It is amazing. It's a good feeling in our soul that we got here today. We got here today. I'm actually honored to be representing the people of North Bougainville as the elected member. One kind time too, me talk thank you also I'm long 48 years. One plus mama come inside long Bougainville. So me talk thank you to Islam.
Take this time to, especially to our woman representative from Bougainville. I was fortunate to be there campaigning for her and seeing the people of Bougainville push for a woman candidate to speak for their people. And also I'd like to say thank you to the other women candidates who ran both in Wewak and also in North Bougainville. They were all very credible candidates, but as our Prime Minister said, only one candidate will win, and we have them sitting before us today.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Thank you, Ladies Honorable House. Thank you to us for the first time. Me feeling good. The whole of the country, me feeling good. The whole of Bougainville can now for the first time, can Harin, for the first time, Mr. Speaker, for the first time, Bougainville, Harin now, talk, or leader, bring him walking inside long Parliament, long Papua New Guinea, all of us. Me not talk me na Chamalili, na Minister Masu, now I'm talking about the whole country as a nation. For the first time, the country is deliberating. Long this la heavy. Now this la cry is start with 25,000 plus lives. To lose 25,000 plus lives on an island. This is the second highest number of people that were lost after the Second World War. Yes, it's an emotional. Why are we emotional about it? What do you expect me to feel? How do you expect me to feel? Me not recovering plenty or Bougainville yet. I don't even know where they are. Right now as we speak, all brother blomi. Na tu plus susah blomi. Bougainville issue, Tammy comes down, number 6 moon blomi sit down, all brother blomi all susah blomi. It's an issue that you can deal one them in the most Melanesian way of doing things. You be behind him low way, stop long book law one something, all brother susah blomi. All passing custom, you miss have a sorting out on issue. Inside long one place, you mean inside long Papua New Guinea. Why you not long using this law too long? Trying to sit down in good bail me for the last how many years? Bail me cry, you me talk ya miseran lo here me cry on them. How can you tell me, Francis Casamoso, why are you so emotional? I'm a mother, I give birth to life. I know you will say, why are we so emotional about it? What do you expect me to feel? Governor Wenge, what do you expect me to feel? Mi mama misa tanim ground, misa karim pikineya. I know some of you are having smiles on your face, shame on you. Why are you smiling about an issue that you should not smile about? Now you're talking me on some, the Constitution of Papua New Guinea doesn't say we should give one province independence. Well, change the Constitution. You talk no well on me, then how do you stop me out? The unforgivable sin that this country has done to its own people of Bougainville is sending the soldiers to try to go stop your war. How could you do that? How could you do that? You're telling me no way, that's fine. That is fine, you're telling me no way. Why are you trying to keep me? Understand where I'm coming from. Minister Mashu is smiling at me. Thank you, brother, the support, you. Thank you, all of us on the floor of parliament that are here. Mita, thank you, you feel in pain. That me feel him for the last how many years. If the constitution of Papua New Guinea it took all Sam, me play not allowed in one plug island go back, one plug province elusive me plug. All Sam regional member me talk. No can try to compare him. You want him me. Don't ever try to compare. Sit down, you want them me. When I'm kind of can what any other province in the whole country elusive 25,000 plus lives. How many of you? Honorable Speaker, Acting Speaker, Honorable House, the unforgivable sin that this country has ever done is sending soldiers Longona killing people belonging. That's the unforgivable sin. That's the unforgivable sin. How about you talk sorry to people belong Bougainville? Now people of Papua New Guinea too, that feel for Bougainville, that feel with Bougainville. How about you talk sorry? But you kill him, how much speak now you talk sorry? But you kill him, how much sikar now you talk sorry? How much steal and kina, but you give him the people blow me, but bell blow me, all right? How much kumul, but you put him the seat, but you send him call the people blow me, long Bougainville, but you talk sorry? Talk sorry, but this is the country. Talk sorry, but this is the parliament. Talk sorry, blow you by independence of Bougainville that people have voted. Talk sorry, blow you, long people, long Brata Susa, blow you the Bougainville and independence. That's the way for you to talk sorry. And I'm not going to pick up my bag, na mi go no one plan. We have to start a new relationship now. A new relationship that by you put him on top of independence vote belong all people. My Honorable Prime Minister, na Honorable Deputy Prime Minister blow me. Na all get up, sister brother blow me here. I won't pick up my bag and go somewhere. You giving me the soul, this little express blow me can go na me go crime bell blow me. Na me talk sorry blow me yet. You don't feel what we feel every day. You don't feel what we feel every day. A group of people where you put in blockade long and not at marasin. You know got soap like this like 10 player. No child went to school. I know there are loving people sitting in this parliament here that can speak at least with some care and some love when the four of us stand up to speak. At least there's some human heart here. At least there's some compassion and there's some passion in this house when we speak. Time you talk alright law, independence blow me, I'm not gonna pick up and go to Mars or Venus or go somewhere. At least you're giving me this lahab blow me space, blow me can go sit down, Prime Minister. Now you talk sorry lo me, now me talk sorry lo me yet. You know feeling when there's something, me feeling more get that day. And when you talk and when you tell me why are we so emotional, my goodness, how do you expect me to feel? Mr. Sinda lo mami karaya, how? I am really honored that this parliament had decided to say something. At least to say something. I am honored as a woman of Papua New Guinea, as a woman of Bougainville, as a mother of Bougainville, as a grandmother of Bougainville. I have this as I speak, at least for the first time, all people of Bougainville is sitting down now. Harin good through talk you me. Milato again, you giving me independence, but me go away. All Pikini blow me, all blow here too. We're doing the right thing at the moment. Business blow me, come set up blow here. All business blow Bougainville come blow here. All business blow you blow go long hard. Business wise we okay, we're doing it. Independence is start to work finish blow you me can. Share all businesses blow you me. You go long hard na come blow here. La side blow movement blow you me people, all Pikini blow me come blow you, all Pikini blow come. You still going there to Bougainville, no one plus something come on. Ating lo side lo politik ta so lendi sila hapya. When time by you talk, you're right. Mama, you can go you yet. I know it's not an easy task.